Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. We're gonna do a much requested hijab and niqab tutorial today, right? Yeah, but first I'm gonna show you my niqab when it's covering my eyes, because Brianna says it looks very
scary.
Interesting,
Scary,
beautiful,
scary.
I like it. Okay. So this is what I look like when I'm fully covered and my eyes are covered. I can see you because it's like a mesh. But literally when you're dressed like this, you're like a shadow walking through the streets, walking through the mall, walking around. Nobody can see you at all. The shadow.
I'm so scared.
The shadow. Okay. Okay. So let's do a hijab. Okay. So if you're wondering how to do hijab, I do it the same way all the time. It's just really simple. So you just take it like this and tuck it.
Oh, it's cold. There's
Under?
a cold part on it.
Stuck.
I feel like I'm getting choked right now.
Wait a minute. There we go. Okay, sorry. And you just wrap it.
You're wrapping it tight.
I'm sorry, I can't feel it on you. Wait. This one's not really working out very good. And just like tuck it under like that. There. Oh, I did a really bad job. Excuse me. Okay.
More fails for the channel like the slug brows.
It never seems to work out when I'm doing this for the channel. I don't know. Okay, let's use a different scarf. Okay, hold on. I think it's really just the scarf, because that scarf just doesn't have a lot of give because of the decoration on it. Okay, so we'll try this one. This one has a little more stretch. So you just put it around like this and just
My eye makeup.
What? Did I touch it?
Yes.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Okay, wait. See, this one wraps better. And then just tuck it under. Don't do that with your mouth. It makes you look thin. Okay, there we go. Stop it. Stop it. Okay, so there we go. Doesn't that look nice, everybody? Do you see how easy that was? It was so super easy. You don't even need a pin. And it'll stay like that. Or you could actually use a tiny pin. These are really good, these little black ones. You can order them online. Okay, so now we're gonna put on niqab. We'll just leave this on like this. So you can use any color you want. This is just a 1-layer black niqab.
Don't touch my eye makeup.
Okay. Just pull that down a little bit so that it covers the forehead a little bit more. And then the niqab just ties in the back. Super easy. So you just put like a little knot. It's not even long enough to do a bow, so you just make like a knot. See how easy that is? That looks good. You look really pretty with niqab. I think she looks really pretty with niqab, doesn't she? Yeah. So that's the really fast tutorial that I wanted to do today to show you how to put on hijab and niqab. Do you like it? Looks good, huh? It looks good. Yeah, it looks good. Salam, everybody. Salam. Say salam.
Salam.
You look great. Tell a joke. Do you know any jokes? At all? None? Neither do I. I have the world's worst sense of humor.